Nestled up in the hills on a half-acre lot, this home offers the perfect balance of comfort and location. It features a charming wooden cabin with an open-concept kitchen and living area, 3 bedrooms, and 1 bathroom, ideal for relaxed living surrounded by nature. Here you'll enjoy privacy, serenity, and affordability. And most importantly, the property includes 3 concrete storage buildings, creating excellent income-generating opportunities for rentals, storage, or personal projects. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence, a vacation getaway, or a smart investment, this home is a perfect fit. Just 10 minutes from Puerto Jiménez and 30 minutes to Matapalo beaches. 20-minute walk away, you'll find breathtaking views of Golfo Dulce from La Balsa. Nature, location, and potential, all in one place.